Why Etsy? That's a very good question, Eric. That's a very good question, bro. So Etsy is a very interesting marketplace. So it's typically branded as a unique and handmade platform, but you don't have to sell the like you want to sell like unique products, but you don't have to sell handmade products. So I originally came across Etsy a year and a half ago. I did Etsy for a year full time before I actually started talking about it publicly. And Etsy's super good because it's low risk, it's high reward, well like medium to high reward, and like it's very easy to get your first couple of sales in, even if you're a complete and utter beginner. So you're on this live stream, so you're already ahead of everyone, obviously. And obviously the people inside of Etsy Kings are way ahead of everyone. But Etsy's very good because it's consistent and it's long term. So you build up an Etsy store, it becomes consistent and it keeps growing, keeps growing, keeps growing, keeps growing. And because of the way the Etsy market is right now, it's literally the golden age of Etsy right now. Like Etsy will never be as good as it is right fucking now. Like it's the truth of it. So just purely because of the way supply and demand works, there's so many buyers and not very many good sellers. A lot of the sellers on the Etsy platform are just fucking dumb. Like, not to be rude, but they are. So, it's just the way it is. Just the way it is. So, I hope that answers your question why Etsy. But basically, it's the best place to make the most money. Like, at the end of the day, if you're advanced like I am, because I already had a year and a half experience, or you're not so advanced, you have no experience, maybe you're older, maybe you don't even understand technology, like you can still make money on fucking Etsy, especially with the methods that I'm doing, methods that I talk about in here, and obviously in Etsy Kings.